And now looking at other reports outside the foreign exchange market, the Kirikiri Lighter Terminal Command of the Viagra Customs Service has uncovered 2 40-feet containers of codeine-based cough syrup and sex-enhancing drugs valued at 212.7 million naira. The area controller of the command says the containers imported from India were concealed among manual blenders. TVC News correspondent Ifanaeze reports.
The issue of false declaration has become a problem that keeps recurring. The discovery of these containers of codeine-based cough syrup and sex-enhancing drugs is another case in point that has become increasingly worrisome. Comptroller Hamin Swomen attributes the success of this particular seizure to shared intelligence between related port agencies.
The major item in this shipment is cough syrup with codeine. You have 2,875 cartons. These are some of those items. This is one of them. This is another one. Yeah. We also have this item here, which I mentioned is the pharmaceutical equivalent of Viagra. What was manifested is a different item completely. Yes. So they will definitely find ways to cover their tracks, and that's why we have to always continue to reinvent our activities ourselves.
Speaking further, he notes that the drugs which were manufactured in India and stamped for export only clearly questions the safety of such medicaments.
The common feature here is that all these products are not certified and not approved for import into Nigeria. There is no NAFDAC certification, there is no approval. In fact, on these products you will see where it's indicated for export only. So even in India, which is country of manufacture, it's not for use there. So you can imagine the implication of products that are not certified. Nobody knows the actual chemical constituents of this.
The influx of restricted items into Nigeria, especially psychotropic substances, has increased calls for government to declare a national emergency on illicit drugs importation. Ifunanya Eze, TVC News, Lagos.